My love, what are we going to do about our finances? It is not getting any better and we just have 3 months to end this year. Will we continue this same cycle next year, 2020?
Sweetheart, you just said my mind. I have been lost in the same thoughts for a while now. But my friend Christine told me about her newfound business that has turned their finances around. You know, she and her husband were in this situation a few months ago.
Are you serious? What business could that be?
She said it is a multinational business called Longrich Bioscience International.
What is the business about?
It's simply about switching our brand of daily consumables and earning weekly. By this she means our bathing soap, toothpaste, body cream, sanitary pad, deodorant, and more. It doesn't just stop there, you also introduce 3 people to the business and teach them to do sales.